So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the project to the project workspace first. So first let's go to the open workspace from add folder to workspace. So from there you can desktop, and you can choose Personal Finance Manager. Right, now I'm adding that project to our workspace. So you can see here there are only one file, which is our user requirement, which we drafted. Right, so now I'm going to use Amazon Q. Right, now I have used Amazon Q developer, so let's open a new tab here. So here if you see, there are basically 4 developer agent capabilities. First one is div, so which we can use to create or generate code, and also we can create test cases. So review, if you want to review and fix code issues before committing, and also if you want to create a documentation, we can use /doc. And also if you want to transform your project, if you want to transform our Java project, we can use /transform. So now I'm going to generate the code for our personal finance management application. So I type the prompt div, and now we have the prompt here. So let me copy and paste. Now let me hit enter. So now the agentic Amazon Q developer is running to generate. So it will be going through our user requirements and generate all the files, hopefully. Right, so I am skipping this video and let me show you what it has come up. Amazing. Now you see here it has completely generated the entire application without any manual coding. Right, so this is the power of Amazon Q developer. So here we have used the div command to generate codes. So the instruction we gave is, I have created a user requirements text file, which is basically explain the required features for the personal finance manager application. So I want you to follow the instruction and create the application at the best interest of greater user experience and functionality of the application. So now it has come up with this application. If you look at it, it's typically, it has been utilized as model view controller MVC pattern. Right, so let me stop this video.